Good day, ma'am. I'm Fatima Maliksi. My chosen topic is about the arms manufacturing and firearms identification. So, how the barrel is made? First is the drilling. Drilling is the process of manufacture. Starts with a solid steel bar which So, how the barrel is made? First is the drilling. Drilling is the process of manufacture. Starts with a solid steel bar which, when drilled from end to end, makes it is steel pipe. So, ang pagbirak kuno gamit og drill aron mahimo og lungag sa usa ka butang. So, like for example, nag-drill siya og lungag sa pader para ibutang ang istante. The second is the reaming. Reaming is remove some of the scars and scratches left by the drilling operation. The next is the riffling. Riffling, it is done with the use of modern tools which automatically cut the spiral grooves on the inside the barrel and impact to every firearm's characteristic which are the peculiar to the barrel. So, riffling is the process of making spiral grooves inside a gun barrel so that the bullet spins at its exits. So, ang riffling mao ang proseso sa paghimo og spiral nga mga linya sulod sa barrel aron pasuklon ang bala inig lusad ni ini. Kini makatabang sa pagkasakto og kalig-on sa dagan sa bala. There are types of firearm characteristic. Class characteristic. Class characteristics are those properties or attributes of a firearm which can be determined even before the manufacture of the gun. This is true for such characteristics are considered to be a manufacturer's designs or specification and security. So, ang class characteristic is amo kibalayon ang kinatibok ang kinaiya nga makita sa usa ka grupo sa mga butang o armas nga gihimo sa parehas nga manufacturer o disensyo. Dili kini makaila sa tagsa-tagsa ka armas, pero makatabang sa pag-ila kung unsang klase nga modelo o brand kini nga barrel. Then the letter B is the individual characteristics. Individual characteristics are those characteristics which are determinable only after the manufacture of the firearm. They are characteristics whose existence is beyond the control of man and which have random distribution. Their existence in the firearms is brought about by the tools in their normal operations, resulting through wear and tear, abuse, mutilation, corrosions, erosions, and other fortuitous causes. Then, in firearms, it is usually determined by test firing, which will give us both the test bullet and the test shell that will show individuality of the property band on the left, marks on every bullet, and shall find from it. So, ang individual characteristic kuno is amo ang yon panagsa na bitaw og personal nga marka na makita sa bala or cartridge nga yon gikan sa yaon tagsa-tagsa ka barrel o kini nga mga marka makapaila sa usa ra gyud ka barrel. Dili lang sa klase niini kasagaran ini siya resulta sa mga guba, gas-gas ug tigulang sa armas yun, pagkadugayon na bito sa armas. And the next is the types of the riflings. There are types of riflings. First is the Steyr type, the Smith and Wesson, the Browning type, and the Colt type. First is Steyr type. There are 4 lands, 4 grooves, right-hand twist, and lands of equal widths, used in early Yale self-loading pistols. Ang Steyr type kuno is Amo yan siya ang tumong sa klase sa barrel o mga iyon parte ni ini nga gihimo o gisunod ang lisensya o estilo sa mga armas nga gikan sa kumpanya nga Star sa Austria. Iban ko no na mga barrel ilado tungod sa talagsaon nga pamaagi sa paghimo o kalig-on sa gamit. Then the second is the Smith and Wesson type. There are 5 lands and 5 groups, right hand twist and lands of equal width. So ang Smith-Wesson type is nagtumong siya sa klase-klase sa barrel o mga parte ni ini nga gisundog o gisunod ang disensyo o mekanismo sa mga armas gikan sa kumpanya nga Smith and Wesson sa Amerika. Iban ko no na barrel ilado labi na sa mga revolver o pistola nga lig-on og kasaligan. Then the third is the Browning type. There are the 6 lands, 6 grooves, right hand twist, narrow lands, and broad grooves. Then the fourth is the Colt type. There are 6 lands and 6 grooves, left hand twist, narrow lands, and broad grooves. Then the fifth is the Webley type. Webley type is there are the 7 lands, 7 grooves, right hand twist, narrow lands, and broad grooves. Then the sixth is the Army type. There are 4 lands and 4 grooves, right hand twist, narrow lands, and broad grooves. Then the 7 is the Carbine type. There are Carbine type is the rifling having 4 lands and grooves, right twist. The width of the grooves is 2 times the width of the lands. Then the last is the Winchester. Winchester is the rifling having 6 lands and grooves, right hand twist. The width of the grooves is 3 times larger the width of the lands.